There you go. Wow. How about the massage? Wow. Another people. Back massage. Okay. Hey, now tell us, are you ready? He's ready. Okay, Sir Andre, it's your turn. Yes, work up then. No, sir. Same like si Lion. Put your hands right here. Come, sir. 1, 2. There you go. And follow my hand. 1, 2. Yes, sir. 1, 2, 3, go. 1, 2. Sabay, sabay, sabay. Massage, massage. There you go. Back massage. Now, are you ready? All right, so folks, is ready. Sir Andre is ready. Let the games begin. Round 1. Okay, let's start easy on you. All you have to do is just like that. And then, all right, Sir Andre, it's your turn to turn. Come here. There you go. Okay, the middle. Yes. No. Slide also. Hands on the bed. Yes, sir. Ready? Then turn. Oh, good job. Then one more thing. Come on, do it. There you go. Good job, sir. Alright, folks. Round 2. Hey, Officer Ruth, can you please make it a bit harder this time? Yes. Okay, sir. All you have to do just like that. Different stand. Okay? It's your turn. And here. Hands on the deck. Then, up. Oi! Very good. Go. All right. Third and final round. Okay, Sir Andre, you need to watch it carefully because this is the hardest part of our competition. All you have to do is lie down, then roll over. All right. Sir Andre, the floor is wet and it's on yours. Just lie down, then roll over. Okay, right here. Oh, how about encouragement from Mr. Andre? Come on. I know you can do this. Be careful, okay, Sir Andre. Whenever you are ready, down, then roll. Oh, Officer, is a good one, right? Please, Officer. Good. Sir Andre, what happened? Sir Andre, anong ginawa mo? What did you do? I told you to lie down, then roll over. Not lie down, then swim right there. Nabasa ka to. Okay folks, I think this is the end of our competition. In every competition, there's always a winner. And you don't have to worry because we have something for you. Okay? Just give me your hand. There you go. Because you deserve a fish like this. Okay, Sir Andre, what are you waiting for? You can eat it now. Yes. I'm just kidding. Just give it back to Roy. Just like that. Okay, be careful. Slowly now. Come on. Good. Alright, Sir Andre, since you are all wet, you have a shirt, pants, and shoes from the gift shop. All for free. Alright, so folks, have a big round of applause for our volunteers during our competition. So, Sir, can you please assist Sir Andre? Okay, Sir Andre, better luck next time. There you go. Alright.